Now let's take a look at goals within Perform and Engage 365. Everyone within the system can access goals and can set goals. Goals work at organization, department, team, and individual level. Now we're logging in as an employee, and we can see within our dashboard, we have a list of our currently active goals, and we can click and view details, and it will take us into that to show us more information. Likewise, we have our goals option on the left side of the screen. You also have access to goals through your check-ins. So as part of your regular check-in, when you're completing your check-in, you will see the lower part of the check-in includes any updates that you may want to provide as part of your goal review. So if I have some updates here, I can simply add in the update. I can mark to close something if it's due to close. I can even go in and manage and add new goals within my check-in as well. But the core of goals is within the goals section of the platform. So by clicking on goals, it shows me first of all the goals that I have set as an individual. In this case, you can see I have 3 goals, and these could be goals or OKRs. And you can decide to use OKRs at, let's say, the organization and department level, and then use goals at the team and individual level. It's completely flexible depending on how you want to implement that within your organization. But what you will notice is we have our goals and we have sub-goals in this case. So increase brand visibility through strategic marketing events, and you'll see I have 3 sub-goals, and we have RAG statuses across these as well. So the RAG status is showing us how far progressed we are versus what the system predicts us to be progressed against for those goals. You can update goals, of course, in the check-ins, but you can also do this from here by clicking on the 3 dots, click on Update Progress, and then you are able to update your goals as you go through. Click Save, and that will automatically update the goal within the system. In this case, we have automatically calculated values for the overall goal, so it will also update your progress towards your overall goal as well. Adding goals is very simple. You simply click Add Goal, and you're able to access parent goals. So these can be goals which have been set at the organization or department or even team level that you want to align to. In this case, I'll go to business growth. I can then also provide a title, description, and then select from a number of different units. So we default to percentage, but you can select a binary, measure, numeric, or financial. And we support every currency that's available globally. That just needs to be configured by the administrator. You can also then select the start and end date. The start and end date must appear within the start and end date of any parent goals which you create. So if you have a 2024 business growth goal, you couldn't set that for 2025 as a personal goal. It needs to align within those same time periods. In addition, you can add sub-goals, and sub-goals will allow you to break down that overall goal into smaller chunks. You can also add sub-goals using AI. So in this case, if we added a new goal, which is to, for example, improve our go-to-market strategy for our tech product is our aim. We can then click Add Sub-Goal with AI, and the system will go away and actually provide suggestions for how you can break that down into sub-goals. So in this case, increase the number of customer surveys conducted to gather feedback, improve customer satisfaction, and increase conversion rate on our go-to-market strategy. These, of course, are suggestions. You can go in and modify these, or you can add goals manually. So you do not need to use AI to set these, but it can be a great way of thinking about how you break down an overall target or goal. Likewise, you can go in and suggest goals without having set the overall goal itself. So again, if you just click on Suggest Goals, you can then select, in this case, let's say a parent goal, the industry we're in, and then suggest, for example, some of the topics you want to achieve with this goal or OKR. Click the button, and the system will automatically suggest goals or OKRs for you. Simply click Add, and then you can see we've automatically added a goal or created a goal based on that AI suggestion. This is at the personal and individual level, but of course you can have team level goals, you can have department level goals, and you can have organization level goals as well. So you can see here we have full access and visibility to those overall goals. If you are a manager, a department head, or an administrator within the system, you are able to cascade goals to individuals, and you can create goals at those individual levels as well. Once again, this supports both SMART goals and OKRs. You also see at the top right that you have access to change the date periods. So if you just want to look at a certain quarter or you want to look at a certain year, you can do so. And you also have the ability to see the graphical view of your goal progress. So this shows you the overall progress based on what you've selected from your filters. We can see the overall status of the organization goals. So the RAD status is by month. We can then actually go down to my individual goals if I want to see the progress of my own goals, department and team goals, depending on how you wish to see that. Advanced filtering can be taken from the filter option, and you can go in and change any filtering options based on your access in the system. As we said previously, as well as the reporting and the ability to see goals within the goal screen, you also can feed these goals into your conversations, whether they're performance, end of year conversations, development conversations, or even one-to-ones.